Hi, I'm Lee. I'm the FP&A Technology Director at Revelwood. This video is going to teach you more about IBM Planning Analytics. Planning Analytics gives you the opportunity to enter data using a bottoms-up approach, a top-down approach, or partial top-down approach. Let me show you how. So here's an example of a view that we can use to plan our utilities. You know how we can do bottoms-up planning. What you have the ability to do is you have the ability in PAW to do top-down planning. What if your manager asked you to decrease all of your expenses by 10%? You could simply go into my grand total, total year, total utilities. I could type DEC for decrease. I could type 10 for 10%, and I could decrease all of my expenses by 10% by pressing enter, and it will do a top-down spread by decreasing everything by 10%. But what if you were on a fixed contract for phone? You knew that you couldn't change some of those numbers. What I could do is I can right-click on one particular number. I could choose the option to hold. And when I hold, if you look closely at the screen, you'll see there's a little pause symbol. The pause symbol is going to tell you that that number will not change. Now I have the ability to manipulate things at a consolidated level. Maybe I don't want this to be 118,000. Maybe I wanted it to be 125,000. I can simply put in a value, and when PAW does the spread, it's not going to change my telephone, but it will change the other values accordingly. Okay. All the values changed except for phone. I now have the ability to release the hold. Right-click on the cell, choose the option to release, and now when I manipulate everything, now I can do more increases and decreases. Maybe I wanted it to be 120,000, and in this particular case, because there's no hold, it'll also manipulate the values associated with telephone. Using the hold feature gives you the ability to do full top-down spreading or partial spreading. Hi, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, or you can visit us at revelwood.com.